Hi everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. Did you manage to get the first issue of the Card Making Magic all-in-one collection? Well, if you did, stand by for Card Making Magic all-in-one collection issue 2. This box kit is going to be on sale on the 30th of May in selected supermarkets and craft stores. You can also get the magazine from WH Smith's or direct from moremags.com. This is what your pack will look like on the shelves, and you'll find lots of ideas on the back as well as inside the pack. So let's take a closer look at what's inside the box. The magazine is full of ideas and inspiration from myself and other design team members. You'll also get a 5-piece die set. You'll get some stamps that coordinate with the dies. And you'll also get an embossing folder. Now the dies in the pack will also coordinate with the papers that are in it, and you can use these dies to cut out the butterflies in the papers and add them to your cards. There are some lovely designs in here, and it's all on quality matte paper. Also included in the pack this month are 4 sheets of vellum paper. So there you have a really good selection of items inside your box kit, and this is the Card Making Magic all-in-one collection issue 2. It's going to be on sale on the 30th of May. So I hope you've enjoyed this little introduction, and if you have, please join me on the next video and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.